Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to JC Premier Singapore. Today, we would like to give you a product demonstration of our Omni White Soap. We will illustrate the active vitamins and minerals of our Omni White Soap. As you can see, this is a light bulb. So we have here brand X, a leading moisturizing soap. We have brand Y, a leading antimicrobial and antibacterial soap, and our very own Omni White Soap. Our Omni White Soap consists of highly effective skin whitening actives, the alpha-arbutin, licorice, and the oxidized glutathione. Our Omni White Soap lightens the skin, reduces effects of anti-aging, helps even out skin tone, and helps block the formation of melanin in the skin. Let me show you an illustration of the active vitamins and minerals. So now we are on brand X, the leading moisturizing soap. Then we go to brand Y, the antimicrobial and antibacterial soap. And now we go to our Omni White Soap. So we are slowly dipping the end of this to the soap, as you can see the light pulse. So this demonstration illustrates the active vitamins and minerals of the Omni White Soap. Our Omni White Soap also has antimicrobial property that combats bacteria. It also enhances the reproductive ability of skin cells.